protest today. Actually, we have asked the government to give us permission to organize this peace protest. But we are very unfortunate to hold this demonstration on the last Saturday. But from the Deputy Commissioner of East Kasil, they denied to give us the permission, and same thing in Tura also. But last Saturday, the peace protest against this atrocities of the Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills and the SP has been held in Tura. So now we are doing this peace protest in Shillong today. After this, we are going to submit the memorandum to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya immediately to remove the DC and the SP of the West Garo Hills for fair investigation with any case. And we want to stop these atrocities and harassment to our party workers, because if we are not protected today, then they'll repeat the same thing in other districts. So that is our motto today. We condemn We demand
Justice.
We demand
Justice.
We demand removal.
Justice.
We demand removal of SP and DC of West Garo Hills. We demand
removal of SP of DC on West Garo Hills.
We demand
Justice.
We demand
Justice.
So, I think we have already written in this placard about our demand. So, I think the important thing is that we'll go and hand over the memorandum to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya so that he can give direction to the government immediately or removal of the SP and DC of West Garo Hills. Right now we have decided to give only to the governor. Later on we will see. So this protest today will take place in the Rivoy district and in Shillong city. Here we have done it today, and we are waiting for the report till evening. Same type of program will take place in other districts also.